Welcome to Section 3.1, Lesson 2. Here we'll be estimating volume using reference. Now when we estimate using reference, it means we use something that we know to help us estimate either the length, area, or in this case, volume of an object. Now here are some objects which you can use as reference for volume. A cubic centimeter is about the size of a small sugar cube. 185 cubic centimeters is the size of a Rubik's Cube, and 144 cubic inches is about the size of a cereal box. So now example 1. Andrew just bought a new filing cabinet for his office with dimensions 1.5 feet wide, 2.2 feet deep, and 4 feet high. He calculates the volume to be 13.2 cubic feet. Use this filing cabinet as a referent to estimate the volume of his office, which shows the front and side view of the filing cabinet in his office. So we can get the relative size of his office knowing the dimensions of the cabinet. So now let's look to see how many filing cabinets can fit along the width here. So you can use your ruler to see how wide that is and then mark off probably another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it looks like another filing cabinet can fit right on top as well. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 filing cabinets along the bottom. And if we have another 6 on top of that, it means that we can fit about 12 filing cabinets. In this whole block. Now, how many rows of that would we have? Well, let's look on the side here. Measuring this here and going along, there'll probably be another one would fit here, another one fit here, and then another 2. So we would have 12 filing cabinets and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of that. So I'm predicting that about 60 filing cabinets would fill up his whole office. So now if each filing cabinet has a volume of 13.2 cubic feet, then I can just multiply that by 60 to determine the total volume of his office. Now multiplying that on my calculator, I get 792 cubic feet. So that's the estimate. Now for example 2. Jason stands his cereal box next to a gift bag. What is the approximate volume of the gift bag? Well, since they're next to each other, we can see that they look to be pretty much the same height and the same length as well. Now what about the width here? How many of these cereal boxes can fit in the bag? Well, you can use your ruler to measure this and then mark off on the diagram. Looks to be 1, 2, and then part of another cereal box could fit in. So I'm going to say 2.5 of the cereal boxes would fit in. Now we learned that the referent for a cereal box is about 144 cubic inches. So if I multiply that by 2.5, which is my estimate of how many cereal boxes would fit in the gift bag, I would get an approximate volume of 360 cubic inches.